Welcome to this advanced React.js tutorial. If you're an experienced React developer looking to take your skills to the next level, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some of the most powerful techniques, tips, and best practices that will help you create more efficient, performant, and scalable React applications. We'll start by discussing some of the advanced concepts that every React developer should be familiar with, such as higher-order components, render props, and context API. Then, we'll dive into some of the latest features and improvements introduced in React 18, including concurrent mode, suspense, and server components. Throughout the video, we'll also showcase some real-world examples and best practices for solving common React problems, such as state management, component reusability, and performance optimization. We'll explore tools like React Redux, React Router, and React Query, and how they can help you build more robust and maintainable applications. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of some of the most advanced React techniques and how to apply them to your own projects. Whether you're building a large-scale application or just looking to improve your React skills, this video has everything you need to take your development skills to the next level. So, grab your coffee and let's get started.